Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing question number 2. Before starting this, I want to share something. This is the Encyclo Hub and if we provide all the homework related solutions. So if you need answers of any type of solution, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp. We provide all the solution in a day and within a time, and our answers will be reliable at according to your subject. Now, this is the question number 2. You are the marketing head in a custom consumer durable goods company which has international operations. It is planning to launch a new brand of mobile phones. Suggest appropriate sales promotion tools for consumer promotion as well as business promotion. So this is the question number 2. If you need answer of these all the questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp. We provide all the solution within a day. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.